Hi, my name's Leo Salvaggio, and I'm going to show you how to make this easy, foldable, and pocketable face shield in less than 5 minutes. Let's go.
Let's start by getting a sheet of clear, transparent film. This can be made out of acetate, PVC, or Mylar. One of the easiest places to find this is on Amazon or Staples through something called binding covers that usually come in a size that's 8.5 by 11. Next, let's fold our sheet in half. Now you can see here that I'm using something called a bone tool, which is used a lot in bookmaking. However, you can also just use your thumb if you're only making a couple of these. Next, on the side that opens opposite the fold, you'll want to measure about 2.5 inches down from the top left. This is where we will make our holes. Using a hole puncher, go ahead and make a hole in that area. I'm using a large hole punch, but you can easily use a hand punch as well. Next, unfold the sheet and take 1/2 and fold it in half again so that the edge comes into the center crease. Now do the same on the opposite side. Now that both halves have been folded in, fold the entire shield one more time in half and fold down. Congratulations, you just made your folding pocket face shield. To wear, if you have glasses, feel free to push the arms of your glasses through the two holes, and you'll see that it stays in place quite well. If you don't wear glasses, feel free to take some 1/4-inch elastic straps and tie them to the ends of your shield, and you can wear it that way. As you can see, even with the straps, you can fold your shield down so that it is pocketable.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this foldable, pocketable face shield useful and that it brings you some additional protection and peace of mind as we all get used to this new normal. That being said, if you'd like to use this face shield to attend a protest or a rally and are interested in how you can decorate it to have some more anti-surveillance functions, please just continue watching this video.
If you want to wear this shield at a protest, but are concerned about facial recognition systems finding out who you are, there are a few modifications that you can add to this face shield to make it harder for those algorithms to search you. Facial recognition essentially works through a factor called feature detection, in which the algorithm tries to identify different features of the face, such as the eyes, cheekbones, or chin, and compares it against a database of faces. However, if you add things to break up the symmetry of your face, then it's possible that you can defeat facial recognition. We will be taking those same ideas here, but using other materials. In this case, stickers that can be found at Staples or the dollar store. You can also try things like glitter, paint, Sharpies, markers, vinyl, duct tape, all different types of things. Keep adding materials, keeping in mind where your eyes will be so that you can still see through your face shield.
You should feel free to experiment with your designs, try different materials, and personalize it for you. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. I really hope that you enjoyed this mask and that you use it. Remember to protect yourself and others by wearing some kind of face covering. And if you really like this video, consider donating to Black Lives Matter or a local organization that could use your help in these troubling times. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.